Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss regarding best performing landing page structure for local service Google Ads based on one of the recent query. So let's see the query first and then how I can answer it. For those running Google Ads for local service businesses, electricians, plumbers, contractors, what landing page structure has actually converted best for you? I'm specifically interested in order of sections, CTA placements, call to action placements, navigation, and other things that really helped conversions, not just general CRO conversion rate optimization theory. For high intent search traffic, for instance, installation rejected, make electrical installation compliant, emergency electrician, what structure has worked best in practice? So the number one structure is option A, hero, short headline plus CTA, call to action, reviews, trust signals, explanation of service, how it works, three steps, plus fact plus contact form. Option number A. Okay. So you have also provided with the option number B. Hero with form, short explanation, CTA again, call to action again, reviews, fact, contact section. Option number C, very short page, high hero plus CTA, reviews, contact and done. Okay, but the question doesn't end here. Okay, so the questions are: do you place a form in the hero or just a button onto a form? Do you repeat CTA buttons every sections? Do you lead with social proof reviews, explanation of the service? How early do you introduce pricing, if at all? Do longer pages outperform shorter ones for high intent service? I'm looking for answers based on actual conversion data, not just best practice blogs. Okay. What structure materially improved your CVR conversion rate? What did you remove that surprisingly increased conversions? Would love to hear real world experiences. Okay, so that is a very long question, and I appreciate, and I hope I will be able to answer you and those watching this on how what is the best performing landing page structure for local service Google Ads. Okay, the local service ads work slightly different than the regular search ads, and it's very important to understand the intent of the user before presenting them with a landing page. Try to understand the intent of the user. For instance, someone who is searching for an emergency electrician is more into someone needs needs an electrician at a very basis. He may not look much for your business. So try to understand he or she, I mean, is in a state of emergency and needs someone to get their electrical issues sorted as soon as possible, ASAP. Or a plumber, try to understand the intent. Now, when you try to understand the intent, now with local service business, what happens is the majority of the queries are being received in this phase where the user is in a very urgent phase and needs a solution ASAP. So keeping in mind that thing, we need to come up with something which is very crucial. Now you presented on option A, B, or C, and you ask the questions like this. So the first thing, in my opinion, or my strategy will be uh, to have a contact form at top or maximum at middle without scrolling. Okay, this is going to be my strategy. So in the part where you have saying that the contact form on okay, you are seeing the CT call to action over here, so it's fine over here, or hero with form, so you can see around hero with CTA and the contact form. So in my opinion, your hero shot plus CTA or hero shot with contact form is something I think is a similar. If you are going with a hero plus CTA, then contact form, not without scrolling. So my opinion is this. So in this scenario, I do not recommend going with no, this page is fine because it's a short page, but I think that the contact form at the bottom is not what I like. So option C is out. So my opinion is option C is out because the contact form is at bottom. Not my preferred strategy, so this is out of the box. Okay, now moving on, hero with form. Option B, hero with form. So I like this. So option B is good because it has a hero shot with form. Option B is good because it has a contact form on top. And if I look on the option A, hero shot with headline plus CTA, reviews, trust, explanation of service, how it works, and the contact form again on bottom. So no, no, I will not recommend. Option is also out because contact form is on bottom. Okay. Okay, it's not that they do not work. Contact bottom contact forms do work as well. Okay, maybe it's smaller, so I'm going to write over here that the bottom contact forms do work. It's not like they don't work, but in my opinion they reduce your conversions. So in my opinion, I do not recommend it. That is not if you review some of the landing pages for local service ads, for instance, like this, where you can see around CTAs over here, and you may often see that they do not have a landing contact form on their page, or like this page, like this over here. This is another business over here. They have shown their ratings, credibility, service, and you can see around the contact form is not over here, or this one has the pop-up coming up, but you can see the contact form is on the top. This is what I like. This is one of my favorite one. Why? Because the form is on the top. Okay, you can come up with your hero shot over here, your headlines, or what you explained to you. Okay, hero shot, and then your CTAs like this, or why you, and then you can discuss more regarding your business over down as well. And there is no harm in coming with an other contact form at the down. There is no harm. So we can add another contact form in bottom is fine, but solo in bottom is fine. So two contact form is also fine in my opinion. Why? Because I believe that the user is your most laziest person in the world. So this is how you can grab it. You can urge them for a query filling. So in my opinion, is the option B is good with hero with the form. Short explanation, CT again, reviews, fact, context section plus form again, and this is going to be the perfect one. Okay, in my opinion, this is going to be the perfect one, and this is how you can achieve. So let me see your answer. Do you place form in the hero just at the bottom? I place form in the both, in the hero and the bottom, both. Okay. Do you repeat CT actions between every section? Ideally, I recommend at least most, if not all, then most. Do you lead with social proof reviews explanation of the service? Yes, 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 yeah, because the people needs a reason on why you, but try to understand their urgency as well. They are urgent, they need urgency. And how early do you introduce pricing, if at all? I may introduce at middle of the page. Okay, this is the time I may introduce. Do longer pages outform shorter ones for high intent? No, I think that the shortest form, short or medium landing pages are fine. Do not need to go with longer pages unless until it's very necessary or essential to outlay your services or products. So this is my opinion regarding this, and these are the strategies through which we have improved our CV conversion rate and conversions. And I hope you like my real world experience on this. And if anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit setup or management, or if need help with their Google local service ads, needs to optimize, needs to get the more sales, need to get the most out of it, I think that you need to follow the strategies as I have defined in this video. And if you need a professional help, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com as a Google Ads partner company, and we will love to help you with Google Ads. So if you want to hire me and my team, you can simply follow the link in the description to get connected with us, and we will love to work with you as we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working. Take care. Bye-bye.